Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all to Nasra Public School online teaching system. This is the part 2 of our today's lecture, that is Central Processing Unit and its component. So in the first part we have discussed the components of computer. There are 4 components or units of the CPU: control unit CU, arithmetic logical unit ALU, memory unit MU, and the last one is registers. So we have known the names of these components in our first part, and now we are going to learn them in detail. So first is control unit CU. Control unit controls the input and output devices. It controls time and sequence of operation of computer, stores and retrieves the data from memory, retrieves data from storages devices, routes the information between memory and arithmetic logic unit, controls the execution of program. So these are the functions performed by the control unit or CU. Now move towards the second component, that is arithmetic logic unit, the ALU. ALU performs the basic functions or calculations on data received from the primary storage. These calculations based on instruction from the control unit. These calculations contain operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It also performs logical operations like comparison between two pieces of data. These are the functions that are performed by the arithmetic logical unit. Our next component is memory unit. Each component has a main memory, which is also called internal storage or primary memory. The memory unit is an internal physical part of computer. It is directly controlled by the computer. The data in main memory is automatically accessible. The information is stored in unique location identified by an address. So this is the function of memory unit. These are the functions of memory unit. Next is register. Registers are temporary storage area built into microprocessor to access data at high speed. There are 14 registers in a microprocessor. Each of new microprocessor have few more registers for special reasons. So these are the 4 components of CPU. Now let's discuss block diagram. This is the diagram that helps or shows the flow of data, flow of instructions, and flow of control. First we input the data, and then it goes to the primary memory, and after that it moves towards the arithmetic logical unit or the control unit. Then control unit directs that data towards the output or main memory or secondary storage. So these are the key features of the CPU and its components. Hope you have understand today's lecture. Now let's conclude our today's topic. In today's topic we have learned about the CPU. The CPU is the brain or nerve center of the computer. The processing takes place in the CPU. There are 4 basic components of CPU. First one is CU. CU is the component of CPU and it works like a traffic cone, directing the flow of data and instructions between the components of CPU. ALU is also a component of CPU that performs calculation and logical functions. MU is an internal physical part of a computer and directly controlled by computer. Registers are temporary storage areas, and there are 14 registers in microprocessor. So this is all we have learned in our today's lesson. Book reference, you can read page number 27, 28 and 29 from your course book. Now there is a homework for you. You have to do the attached assignment in your copies. That's all for today. Thank you everyone. We'll meet inshallah in the next lecture.